Let's hop back into it. So I'm going to show you how easy this is. So I'm back on ChatGPT. All you have to do is just pick one of your titles or your hooks right here. I'm just going to copy this one, and then we're going to go back to Canva, and all I will have to do is just highlight this and then paste what we got from ChatGPT. And then bit by bit, you can just slide and tweak what you want. And I actually don't need this how-to right here. And I like the step-by-step guide, so I'm going to leave that right there. So I went ahead and jumped ahead and made some tweaks and changes so I wouldn't waste all of your time. And as you can see, I just copied the stuff from ChatGPT. Ink file, discover the easiest way to start your business today. Now, basically, with all of our hooks here from ChatGPT, all you would have to do is just replicate this process over and over. So you can use the same template, just change the wording on it, or you can get many different templates, as you can see over here on the side as well. That's all you would have to do is jump back and forth between ChatGPT and create all of your Pinterest pins based off the information that ChatGPT gave us. And all you would have to do if you wanted to do that is just click the plus sign right here, and it's going to add you a page. Or what you could do is also click add page right here, and it'll do the same thing. I won't go through that just for educational purposes, so we won't take up too much of your time. It's pretty straightforward and simple. You just rinse and repeat and do this over and over till you're done. Now, once you've completed that process, all you have to do is go up to the right and click share in the top right-hand corner. And what you're gonna do is click download, and you wanna keep this in a PNG file. That's gonna give it the best quality. And all you have to do is just click download right here, and now it's gonna download to your computer. Now, after that's done, the final step is to actually go to Pinterest and create the actual Pinterest pin in your Pinterest account. So inside your Pinterest profile, you have to go up here to the Pinterest icon, and you're going to go up under organic and click on create pin. And right here, it's going to bring you to the editor. And all we're going to do now is just upload our actual pin that we created. So we're going to click that, and this is why I have it right here. And as you can see, the pin is nicely sized, everything fits, so we're looking good. Now we're just going to copy and paste everything into our Pinterest editor. So we got our title. So we're going to go back to ChatGPT, discover the easiest way to start your business. We're going to copy that, go back to Pinterest, and we're going to click paste right here. And then we already have our description as well, which is in ChatGPT. This is up under the Simply Business formation, and it's the number 2. So we're going to go up under here. And as you can see, we already have our description, Simply Business Formation. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy the details. Ink file helps you streamline the process of registering your business. Go back to Pinterest, and we're just going to paste it. Now, it's got some of these little things. I'm going to tweak that so it makes sense. Now, after you've done that, here's how we're going to make our money. Right here where it says link is where we're going to place our link. Now, I'm going to tell you the quickest way to do that, but I'm also going to tell you the wisest way to do that. Now, the quickest way to do it, now that you have your share a sale, all you have to do is now go back to share a sale, and at the top, you're going to click on links and get your links in the get link icon tab. It's going to take you to this page right here. Mine's is different. Yours would be different too. You're going to see a list of all your different affiliate programs. Find the one you want, and you're going to click on get links, and it's going to show you that particular link to the affiliate product. And all you would have to do is just copy that to your clipboard, go back to Pinterest, and you can paste it right there. What's going to happen when they see your Pinterest pin in their home feed, they click the pin, it'll have your link there. They click the link, and then they can go to the website where you'll get coded to that affiliate link. And if they make a purchase, you'll get the commission. All right, so that's the quickest way to do it. But I also wanted to tell you about the wisest. Pinterest does allow affiliate links directly to be put into your Pinterest pins, but I highly recommend that you send people to a funnel to where you can collect email addresses and build your email list, and also maybe a blog to where you can send people to get a little bit more about that information, where you can sprinkle your affiliate links there as well. But at the least, in the easiest way to do those things without putting your link directly, what you can also do is go to linktree.com to where you can put a whole bunch of your affiliate links there as well. That way you will be more trustworthy instead of sending them straight to an affiliate link. It just looks better, and Pinterest likes it way better than you just putting your affiliate link directly in your pin. Hopping back into it, once you have put your link in there, the next thing you want to do is put it in a board. As you can see right here, it's going to ask you to choose a board. I already have a whole bunch of them set up. It's real simple. Basically what a board is where all of your pins will be. So you can categorize all your different pins using boards. So if you wanted to create a board all about taxes, you can create a board called tax board, and you can put all your pins inside that board. I'm just going to click one right here just for educational purposes. You can put tags all also, that's another thing. You can go back to ChatGPT and ask it to create some tags for your pin for Pinterest. And if you want, you could publish it at a later date if you want to schedule it. But last thing you would do once you're done is click publish, and then you're all set. That's really it to it. What you really want to do is make sure that you're continually to post on Pinterest. Don't just stop with one pin. Get all the information for ChatGPT. Find the affiliate products and continue to upload, because it's all a numbers game. Continue to put traffic out there to attract those leads to your affiliate products. Technology has come a long way, and with things like ChatGPT and artificial intelligence, the whole process of affiliate marketing has become so much easier. I didn't have this when I first started out, so now you can take full advantage. And as always, if you guys want to learn how I'm doing this on a mass scale and what I'm teaching in my private community with my students, you'll see the links down below on how you can join and take a free course that will show you how to copy my entire affiliate marketing business from scratch. With that being said, I hope this video gave you so much value. If it did, give me a like, share, and a subscribe. Comment down in the comment section of what you learned the most and what you would like me to put out more content about. And as always, you guys stay blessed, and I'll see you on the other side of success.